Hello guys. So in this video we'll be seeing how we can use a buzzer with an Arduino. So buzzer is a small component or sensor which is used to give an alarm sound or it gives a frequency tone. So for this experiment what are the components required? So we need one breadboard and then we need one buzzers, we need one Uno and we need few jumpers for this experiment. Now, so buzzer is a simple two-pin sensor. As you can see, it has only two pins, positive and negative. It is exactly same as your LED. Even the program is same as the LED. If you give high, there is some frequency tone coming outside of this buzzer tone. So it's a very simple sensor. So let's see what is the connections here. So let us see what are the connections. So here we have the buzzer. We'll put it on our breadboard. And as I said, it's a two connections. One goes to ground and one goes to the pin, which will be high and low. So I'll take this ground and give it to the ground of my Arduino. And I'll take this pin and I can put it in any pin from 2 to 13. So we'll use pin number 8. Okay. We'll use pin number 8 for this. So let me quickly go and color the wire so that it's easier for you guys to understand. So red, and then here I'll give black. So this is all the connection required. So same thing, let's do it here. So I have this. So how do you identify which is the positive and negative terminal? So you can see the legs. One of the leg is a longer leg and other one is shorter. So the longer leg is, it goes under positive and the shorter edge goes under ground. So I'll be putting this on the breadboard and then I'll do the connection. So I'll quickly go and take a wire. So this is the longer one. Okay, this jumper is not working. Give me a second. Okay, so this will go to pin number 8 as we have written. Yes, and then the ground pin will go to ground of my Arduino. So this is a simple two pin connections. Now going to the program, you can write a simple LED program or you can use the built-in function that is given. So first I have to define the pin, right? So I'll say int buzzer. So I have put buzzer in pin number 8. Yes, then I have to go and set it as output because it's giving output, right? You're giving voltage to the buzzer so that the frequency glows. So you will give pin mode buzzer as output. Now after this there are built-in function. Okay, so you can use a built-in function called tone for buzzer in which you specify the pin number, that is this buzzer, that is pin 8, and you specify the frequency. So what happens here is this sends 1 kilohertz sound signal. Okay, and then if you want a delay, that if you want this buzzer tone, then you can give a delay of I'll give delay of 2000 milliseconds, that is 2 seconds. So you can hear the sound, and then I'll use the function called as no tone for this buzzer. So from this pin there'll be no more tone given, and then I'll give a delay for 1000 milliseconds, that is nothing but equivalent to 1 second. So you can use this inbuilt function tone and no tone. So now to run this, I can quickly go and power up my Arduino. So now once I've powered this up, I can check, I can verify this. So I'll go to tools and I'll verify the board and port. So yes, I have correct board and it is the port is also selected to Arduino. So now I can go and upload the program. So now it is compiling. Okay, so the compiling is done. So you can see for 2 seconds there is a buzzer tone. Now you can keep changing it's up to you. So if you want a very quick buzzer tone, then you can give a less delay. So I'll give a delay of 500 milliseconds, that is nothing but half a second. And if I upload this, so based on their delays you can vary this and you can use this as an alarm system in ultrasonic sensor, in DHT sensor. There are various sensors where you can integrate this buzzers, and also you see in many applications, in real-time applications where they use such buzzers. So this is a small example for. So this is the small example for your buzzer experiment. Thank you.